we'll guide you through how to make Photopea brush more smooth. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because the default brush settings in Photopea can create rough, uneven, or dotted lines while drawing. Start by accessing the Photopea website through your favorite browser on your laptop, computer, or smartphone. First, open your browser by double-clicking the shortcut icon on your device. Once the browser opens completely, click the search box at the top of the screen. When the cursor appears and starts blinking, type Photopea carefully into the search field. After typing the name correctly, press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search process. From the search results that appear, select 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 at the top of the list. After that, you will automatically be redirected to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, click the New Project option to begin creating your workspace. Use one of the pre-installed templates available in Photopea for your project setup. Next, change the background color if necessary before starting the editing process. In this example, use a white background for the project canvas. After setting the background, click the Create button to open the editing workspace. Then, look at the toolbar menu located on the side of the screen. Find the brush tool in the toolbar menu for drawing on the canvas. You can also press the keyboard shortcut B to activate the brush tool faster. Try drawing something simple on the canvas to test the brush settings. You will notice that the brush may not look smooth and small gaps can appear between the lines. To make the brush smoother and neater, go to the Layer Comps section on the right side of the screen. Select the icon there to open the brush settings panel. If this icon does not appear in your Photopea workspace, enable it manually. Go to the window menu above and activate the Layer Comps feature. Once it appears, open the brush settings and continue with the next steps. Lower the spacing value to the minimum to reduce gaps in the brush strokes. Then, lower the hardness value to create softer and smoother brush edges. Finally, you have successfully learned how to make Photopea brushes smoother. These adjustments will help your drawings appear cleaner, smoother, and more professional during editing.